The truth about how women choose men. What really turns them on? Have you ever wondered what truly turns women on? What separates the men they desire from the men they settle for? It's not just about looks or money. It's about something much deeper, something primal. Men think they know what women want, but the truth is far more complex. Women don't just choose men based on looks, wealth, or charm. Their attraction is wired deep into psychology, instincts, and hidden triggers most guys never realize. Why do women crave strong, confident men yet settle for security? Why are high-status men irresistible? And what truly turns women on? If you've ever been confused about what women really want, you're about to uncover the brutal truth. Stay tuned, because what you learn today will change the way you approach attraction forever. 1. Women have two conflicting instincts when choosing a man. Women are naturally wired to seek two essential, yet often conflicting qualities in a man: raw attraction and long-term security. On one hand, primal instincts draw them toward men who exude strength, confidence, dominance, and physical appeal, traits that scream good genetics and fiery passion. These are the men who make their hearts race and their bodies respond instinctively. On the other hand, a woman's deep-seated need for stability pulls her toward men who are reliable, emotionally secure, and capable providers, the ones who offer protection, comfort, and a sense of future certainty. The tension? The man who ignites her lust isn't always the one who offers a steady foundation. Many women navigate this internal tug-of-war, sometimes indulging their desires in one man while seeking commitment in another. The true high-value man, however, is the one who seamlessly blends both worlds, commanding attraction while providing unwavering security, making him irresistible in every sense. 2. Women are conflicted about money. When it comes to money, women want it both ways, whether they admit it or not. On one side, they're irresistibly drawn to the man who flashes his wealth like a peacock flaunting its feathers. The guy who effortlessly buys rounds of drinks, drives the sleek car, and exudes an air of abundance. That display of resources triggers an instinctive attraction. It signals power, excitement, and the ability to provide. But here's the twist. While that kind of financial dominance is intoxicating, women also crave security, and that means a man who isn't just reckless with money but knows how to build a stable future. The same woman who thrills at the attention of a high-rolling alpha may ultimately choose the guy who invests in a mortgage, prioritizes financial stability, and ensures long-term security. The conflict? Some women will chase money over love every time, while others wrestle with the tension between instant gratification and a lasting foundation. The high-value man? He knows how to balance both, offering excitement without recklessness and security without dullness. 3. Women crave confident men, especially when the pressure is on. Confidence isn't about flexing in the mirror or delivering smooth one-liners. It's about how you hold your ground when the heat is on. Women are instinctively drawn to men who remain calm, collected, and in control when faced with chaos. Whether it's handling an argument, navigating a crisis, or making a tough decision without hesitation, a man who exudes composure under stress signals strength, leadership, and dominance, the very qualities that make a woman feel safe in his presence. She needs to know that when life throws a curveball, you won't fold under pressure, panic, or look to her for direction. A man who stands firm in uncertainty, takes charge without being rattled, and leads with certainty becomes intoxicatingly attractive. But if you crumble, hesitate, or let stress shake you, she won't just lose interest, she'll lose respect. Because deep down, she's asking herself one question. If he can't handle pressure, how can he handle me? 4. Women crave strength. It's more than just looks. Women aren't just attracted to strength, they respect it. A tall, strong, athletic man isn't just eye candy. He represents protection, dominance, and genetic superiority. Whether she admits it or not, a woman instinctively feels safer with a man who looks like he can handle himself and handle her. His broad shoulders, firm grip, and commanding presence trigger deep primal instincts, ones that whisper, "This man can protect me, provide for me, and pass on strong genes." Studies even show that women are nearly twice as likely to prioritize a man's physical strength in a partner, while men place far less emphasis on a woman's physical power. Why? Because strength in a man isn't just about attraction. It's about survival, both in ancient times and in modern relationships. A man who is physically fit signals discipline, resilience, and the ability to withstand life's challenges. But it's not just about hitting the gym, it's about embodying strength in every sense. A powerful frame is attractive, but a powerful presence, one that radiates confidence, security, and control, is what makes a man irresistible. 5. Man's words matter more than his looks. Women may be drawn to a man's appearance, but what truly keeps them hooked is how he speaks. A man with strong language skills, one who can hold a conversation, tell engaging stories, and express himself with confidence, immediately stands out. Women love to talk, but more importantly, they love a man who can stimulate their mind and emotions with his words. It's not about using big, intellectual words or sounding overly polished. It's about how you make her feel when you speak. A man who knows how to flirt subtly, use humor effortlessly, and keep a woman engaged in conversation has an undeniable edge over men who rely solely on looks. The truth is, a man who can make a woman laugh, challenge her intellectually, and keep her curious will bypass men who are richer, taller, or better looking. Why? Because words trigger emotions, and emotions drive attraction. If you master the art of communication, teasing, storytelling, and creating emotional highs and lows, you don't just attract women, you become unforgettable to them. 6. Women prefer high-status men. If you think women only care about looks, you're missing the bigger picture. While attraction plays a role, what truly captivates a woman is status. Women are irresistibly drawn to men who command respect, admiration, and influence. Status is an undeniable aphrodisiac. It's not just about money. It's about presence, leadership, and the ability to captivate a room. A man who moves with confidence, garners attention, and exudes authority naturally stands out from the pack. He doesn't beg for validation, he owns it. Women instinctively seek out men who are admired by other men and desired by other women because social proof is a powerful trigger. A high-status man doesn't chase, he attracts. And the harsh truth: a good-looking guy with nothing to back it up will always lose to the man who holds power, influence, and a strong sense of self. If you want women to gravitate toward you, stop obsessing over them and start building your value. Because when you elevate yourself, they come to you effortlessly. This is the very reason why a lot of ladies are crazy about a celebrity. They don't mind if he's married, old, young, handsome, etc. Conclusion: attraction isn't just luck, it's science, psychology, and strategy. Women crave strength, confidence, and a man who knows his worth. If you want to be the guy women can't resist, stop chasing and start elevating yourself. Build your status, master your presence, and command attention. Because when you become the high-value man, women don't just notice you, they pursue you. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, subscribe for more eye-opening content, and let me know in the comments, what trait do you think women desire most in a man?